Hey, so the video you're about to see is from when I went to the Peak District with my best friend Nathan. And the reason we went is mainly because we both live in the city. I live in Birmingham, he lives in Manchester, and we just wanted to get out of the city and go and immerse ourselves in nature. So that's exactly what we went and did. So, yes, what you're about to see is me and him in my adventure, if you can really call it an adventure, to Peak District. Enjoy. Step 1, walk out your front door. Step 2, realise you've forgotten your sunglasses. Not sunglasses. Step 2, you've forgotten your headphones, which you really don't want to not have for a 2-hour journey. I want some tunes, man. I want some tunes. Step 3, leave the house again. Silly me. Step 4, arrive at the train station. Step 5, wait for your train to arrive. Step 7, get the train. Step 8, arrive in Sheffield. Change trains and go to Peak District. Step 8, stop off in Sheffield because it's quite delightful. It's very nice. Also, I have to change my train here, but it's very, very nice here. This is a very nice square train station. Would recommend. There's me thinking Sheffield was a bit apparently very nice. Who knew? Step 9, I want to say it's step 9. Arrive in Hathersage, which is the train station, one of the train stations in the Peak District, and wait for Nathan because he is not currently here yet. So I just gotta wait. And oh, it smells fresh. Oh, it's lovely.
I very much enjoyed it.
Step 11 or 12? I don't know. It might be 11 with Nathan. Very cute, my man.
What's up?
My G. I shouldn't say my G. I can't pull that off. Look how lush these are. Whoa. Whoa. Look how classy this man is. So begins step 14. 14? Oh, maybe 12. It's probably 12.
12, mate.
It's 12, definitely 12. Oh, we're taking pictures. It's Nathan taking pictures.
What's up, fans?
Step 13. Venture into the forest paths.
Wicked.
We found something interesting. Oh. World War II. Good day. Nathan, are we adventuring inside?
Yeah.
I'd say. I mean, I might be wrong about the World War II bunker a bit.
Yeah, something tells me.
I think it just says it's a fort. From Roman. Magnificent. What a savage. What a savage. We climbed up the big rock and now we're at the top. Woo! The big rock. This is where we are now. It's quite exciting. Look at the view. This is what New Zealand is all about. Or Peak District too. We love the Peak District. But mainly New Zealand. Do you want to be my friend? across the barbed wire.
God!
14. We're currently seeking refuge in the wind.
And the soldiers.
And the soldiers. Yes, we are playing on our legendary battle up here. It's bloody windy up here. Very, very windy.
But I'm warmed by your love.
Wow,
I ain't gonna say it back.
what a trauma.
Say it back.
I'm warmed by your love.
Thank you. I'm not really, I was only joking.
No. Nathan, I've got a story for you.
What is it, Patrick?
It's about a similar time when I was on a rock like this,
Mm.
with a little overhang.
Oh, wow.
I think that's how they call it in the industry. Overhang.
Mm.
I was in Sri Lanka.
Wow, do you travel?
Oh, all the time, mate.
Are you loaded?
Mate, it's my YouTube channel. It's about travelling.
Oh.
And I was 5 years old.
Mm.
So
I thought you said 4.
I might have been. It's fine. We don't discuss behind the scenes. What? I was here sitting in a rock like this. There was nothing down there. And
But your death. The death
yes,
falls
there was a
down.
big drop.
Mm.
But instead of a drop, there was an elephant.
Oh, wow.
The elephant came towards us.
Mm.
By us, it was just me and my sister.
Oh.
So that is technically us.
Mm.
And we touched its trunk, and it was mind blowing.
Did you speak to it? Did it speak to you?
Oh, the trunk went. The trunk went towards me. It's like, I want some peanuts.
Peanuts?
It's like a peanut. So I mean, I was 5, so I didn't know any other words. 2 words. Peanuts. I was like, oh, fair play. I'll have my peanuts.
Yeah, so in some like random little walk. It's quite nice, beautiful. Found a spot because I'm tired and my legs hurt. Patrick wanted to keep going because he's a man, but I ain't got the strength for that, you know? So he took a break. Quite nice.
Yep, I'm the man.
You're the what?
I'm the fit endurance man. Step 15. Just chilling on the grass, really.
What's up?
What do you like?
It's a nice hill.
And then I had the most blissful sleep, half an hour sleep I've ever had, for what must have been a good 4-hour walk. And there you can see Nathan took a nice picture of me just lounging, just living the life freely, living the life.
Step 16. After a delightful snooze. So nice. We found water. Agua. Step 17? 18? Who knows? Who knows? I'm sad. A little bit sad. I'm fine. Nathan just got his train. It's gone. And so now I'm waiting for an hour, which is cool. Amazing. Riveting. But yeah, step 17, 16, 18, who knows. Wait at a train station for an hour until my train comes to go back to Birmingham. Yay. Woohoo.
So, fun story. I decided I didn't want to wait an hour to get my advance ticket train that I originally got. So instead I got the earlier train that came in, which I didn't have a ticket for. Ticket lady came round, looked at my ticket, just kept on walking, and that face you see there from that clip is the face of someone who was bloody terrified of the consequences. And then that boy there is a very tired boy on the final train, on the final leg back home. And my god, I was tired. A hell of a lot of walking. But in the end, I was pretty damn happy. Very.